In this video, I'm going to show you how to use OneXBet Bonus Amount Sinhala. It will be very easy to do. Firstly, you will come and click on registration normally, where now you will come and click on inscription by email. So by clicking on email, you will now register completely at full inscription, and you will come to the code of country, where you will click, and now you will enter Sinhala, and now you will enter the rest of informations, where you will also come to promotional code and you will click BOTV, which will help you to get 300% of bonuses at your first deposit, meaning that you put an amount of $10, you will obtain $30. When everything is set now, you will click on register down, and now you will come on menu, write down, and you will select 1x games. You will see the category bonuses. You will click on it. Now by clicking on it, you will come and click on bonuses for games. You will see now the lucky wheels and the complete the tasks where you can do to get your daily bonuses, which will help you to get a considerable amount if you continue to game and obtain wins, which will now come onto your electronic wallet. Now you will come out also and see other bonus games that can be interesting for you, like jackpots, weekly rewards, or even come out here completely and come to casino, where you will see other categories like tournaments, bonuses, which will be given to you as to win promotional games, bonuses, gifts, and all the rest. So when the considerable amount will be enough for you, you will come to the option of popular, where you will now select a sport like basketball, football, and all the rest. By selecting now a type of game that will be interesting for you, you can even select this match, for example, so as to place your bet and now use the amount of OneXBet amount bonus that you have been gaining.